Alright guys, coming back with part 2 of this video. It looks nicely packaged, as I said before. Sometimes these ones are a little bit challenging, but not this one. This one came open like it was nothing. Nothing, guys, nothing. So let's see what's in here. It's another happy model, and I'm really liking this company. So far, the Mantis 85 has been one of my favorite drones, and let's see if this turns out to be just as good. Coming with 2 little batteries, that's good. The charger over here, and the drone has an extra set of guards there, and let's see the thing itself that comes out here. Looking very nice, super light. And in the next video we'll check out what else is in there, but right now just take a quick look at this thing. It looks
Likey.